Hey everybody, this is a quick video on a couple of registry entry hacks or changes to do a couple of things. One of them is to add MoveTo and CopyTo to the context menu. So for instance, if I right click, I can do MoveTo or CopyTo. Like if I do CopyTo folder, I can select another folder like downloads and do copy. And then if I open up my downloads, you'll see the same thing is copied right there. MoveTo works the same way, but obviously it moves it, doesn't copy it. The other thing is normally on a brand new Windows 10 PC, you'll see OneDrive here. And I don't know about you, but I don't use OneDrive. I don't use Microsoft 365 or Microsoft's online services like that. So I hate having OneDrive cluttering up this part of the File Explorer. So I've got another registry entry there that will get rid of that. I've already done those two. There's a third one though, that's this Creative Cloud Files, which I don't care if the folder exists on my machine, but I don't want it in Windows Explorer. And so I had thought that was probably a registry entry thing that could be changed as well. And luckily, Adobe took some customer inputs and feedback and created a registry entry for that as well. Now you can go into the registry by doing regedit, clicking the Windows button and typing regedit. You'll see registry editor is here. However, it kind of takes forever because you got a whole bunch of stuff you got to go through. Basically, you've got to find, usually things are in current user, but you've got to find where specifically in there it is, and you got to change the stuff and whatever. And having these registry entry files pre-made for you will do that automatically, which I think, hang on, let me check something. I think you can actually look at these. Yeah, so you can actually open these in Notepad or TextPad or Notepad++ and see what they're actually doing. So what I could do is go into the registry, regedit, and find this and then add this key to it. Or I can just run these registry entry tools, these regedit files, which will do it for me automatically. Now again, these ones are already done on my computer, but I'll do them again because it doesn't hurt anything. But the Adobe one has not been done on my computer, so we'll see if that works. So at any rate, to find these files, first off, type CopyTo MoveTo Windows 10 in Google. The first one you find is a How to Geek article, and if you scroll down a little bit, it gives you the instructions on how to do it, or you can just go down towards the bottom and download this right here, and that is these files right here, these registry entry files, which will do it for you with just a click. And so that's kind of easier in my opinion. Similar deal with OneDrive. If you type in, I think I typed in how to remove OneDrive from File Explorer, and it gives you the instructions here, or you can go down and you can just download their little file that does it automatically. You can create the file yourself if you want to and have it run as a registry entry. So there's really three ways of doing it, but personally I've just downloaded these. I keep them saved on my server, and that way anytime I reinstall Windows 10 or install it on someone else's computer, I can just grab these quick files, run them briefly, and it's done. And for the Creative Cloud one, typed in remove Creative Cloud files from Explorer, and I think it was actually the second thing here. Yeah, the second one gave us the solution, which is this pin_ccf zip. And so we will see if that works. I don't know if that one will, but same deal, it's just registry entries. So now that we've got them downloaded, just double click this, click yes, click OK. And if OneDrive were here, then it would be gone, but it's not here, so it's already been done. Same deal for add to CopyTo. Just run it. Yes, okay. CopyTo, run, yes, okay. And after you do that, you might need to close your Explorer windows. You might be able to, you might just see it automatically go away. I'm not certain about that, but usually you don't need to log off and back on for it to happen. We'll see when I run this if it automatically, if it gets rid of it right here, or if I gotta close it and open it back up. I'm not sure about that. But anyways, let's do unpin CCF. Well, first off, let's have a quick look one with Notepad. Okay, so it's just going into this key and it's adding this D word. So let's unpin, run, yes, okay. See, it doesn't go away, but let's see if it does when I open it back up. Oh, it's still there. So I might be wrong about this one. Let me try a repin. I would think that would add it back, but we'll give it a shot. Yeah, unfortunately that one's not working for me. Now, perhaps if I log off and back in, it may have worked. That's not the case normally with these ones, but it might be with the Adobe one. I'm not totally certain. Now there's something else I'm going to try, actually. I'm going to pull them out of here and run it without having Windows Explorer open. And we'll just see. Oh, that one didn't work. So, not sure you'll have much luck with the Creative Cloud Files one, but it definitely works for OneDrive, and the Add to, Copy to context menu entry is added when you do those ones from How To Geek. So maybe How To Geek just has better support than Adobe. But at any rate, I'll see if I can figure this one out, and if I can, I'll write it in the comments. But yeah, having OneDrive here is super annoying, and that MoveTo CopyTo thing is something that Linux has had for a while, and it's just super convenient because like I can just do MoveTo and then select where I want to move it to, and there you go. And that might seem stupid in this case because I can just drag and drop it to the recycle bin. That's true. But if you're moving or copying something into like C program files x86, Adobe Acrobat Reader 11, blah 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 blah. If you're going into something that's way long, sometimes this is a little bit easier, and it's just a nice little trick that I like to do on basically everybody's computer. You can remove them as well by simply going back and changing those keys to what they were, or I think in the case of MoveTo CopyTo, just deleting the keys that were there originally. You can get rid of that registry entry as well. So anyways, hope that helps somebody, or at least the three of them do. Adobe just sucks. They've always sucked with everything. So anyways, enjoy.